Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how people are creating viral Jesus Miracle AI videos in just 3 minutes. And yes, you can do the same. Many creators are growing fast in just 14 days and earning from these AI videos. Let's start. In the description, you'll find a link to the master prompt. Click it and copy the master prompt. Now open ChatGPT and paste it into a new chat. It will instantly generate 10 Jesus Miracle video ideas. Now choose any number from 1 to 10, or type more to get extra ideas. When you select one idea, ChatGPT will give you title, image prompt, video prompt, description, and hashtag. For example, I choose number 5. Look, ChatGPT gives me all the prompts. Now copy the image prompt. Open your AI image tool. I'm using OpenArt. Select the Nano Banana model. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Wait a few seconds. Your cinematic Jesus Miracle image is ready. Download it. Now copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT. Open OpenArt and select the Kling 3.0 Omni Video model. Upload the image as the starting frame that you download. Paste the first video prompt. Set duration to 10 seconds and quality to 1080p. Click Generate. Wait 15 to 30 seconds. Your first video clip is ready. Now open the video. Click Grab Frame and move the timeline to the last frame of the video. Then select Image to Video. It audibly have last frame. Paste the second video prompt. Set duration to 10 seconds, quality 1080p. Click Generate. Your second clip is ready. Repeat one more time. Click Grab Frame and move the timeline to the last frame of the video. Then select Image to Video. Use the third prompt. Generate final clip. Now you have 3 connected clips, 30-second cinematic video. Download all 3 clips. Open CapCut or InShot. Combine them into one smooth video. Now your full cinematic Jesus Miracle video is ready. Now copy the title, description, and hashtags from ChatGPT and upload your video on YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Post daily to grow faster and increase your chances of going viral. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.